how to install OBS Studio in your laptop. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I am going to show you how to download and install OBS Studio. So first you need to open your browser, and here in search you need to type OBS Studio. After that you need to click on the download button. Then here click on the download installer. After that, it will download a exe file for you. It might take a while. After it's done, go to Files, then go to the location where it's downloaded and click on the exe file. Then after, it might ask you a few questions. Then just click on Next, Finish, and then it will start installing your OBS Studio for you in your laptop. And that's it for how to install OBS Studio in your laptop. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.